Always read first the direction. Dito sa taas na.
8.
Ito muna, basahin mo muna ang direction.
Color the box with in.
Again, what is that? This one?
That's K. C.
No, dito.
The.
And this one?
And the and
Do the sound.
correct the
This one.
numeral.
Okay, again.
Color
Ito muna.
the box the key
With
the key
correct
numeral.
Okay, so you need to read this one first, ha? Bago mag-color ng box. Ano yung sa cake? What is that? Yung nasa loob ng cake? What number is that? Basahin mo.
8.
8. So what we're going to do? Ano nga gagawin? You need to?
Kulay.
Okay, color. Ayan, so ito ang gagamitin ni Kian, yung kanyang mega art set. Yan.
Ang haba.
Dito ganyan. Dito ka banda. Dito ka lang. Choose ka lang. What color you want?
Aha.
Any color lang. Wala naman sinabi eh. Come on. Oh, 8. Oh, where's the number 8? Where's the number 8? This. Oh, this one. Anong gagawin sa box? Anong gagawin sa box? Dito sa 8. Oh, read this one. Anong gagawin?
Color.
Oh, color. Color the box. Okay, next. This one.
10.
Oh, 10. Very good. Where's the number 10?
Yes.
Okay, what color you want? Yan pa rin? Or you want to change?
Something is
Okay.
the yellow. Bilis to kasi eh. Oh.
Okay, this one. What is this?
6.
Okay, where's the number 6?
Yes.
Oh, meron na palang pinulayan mo na siya.
Gulayan ko siya kasi eh. 7.
Oh.
The office. Dito. 7 this. Yun, ang dahan-dahan ko lang, mama.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
What is this?
9.
Okay, where's the number 9?
Okay.
Right.
Alright.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, check muna natin. Dali.
Check.
This one, what number is this?
The 8, it's here.
Okay. What about this one?
10.
10. Okay, perfect. What about this?
6.
Okay. Next?
7.
Okay.
9.
Okay, perfect. I-flex ko lang pala guys, itong ginagamit na mega art set ni Kian. Napakaganda nito. Gamit na gamit talaga ito ni Kian. Ito siya guys. So, ito yung cover niya. Super mega art set. 208 pieces ito. Ayan. So, ayan, marami na siyang kasama. 3 sides. Perfect na perfect po ito sa ating mga kids, mga mima. May kasama na siyang paste, eraser, mga paper clips, at itong watercolor, oil pastel, at itong mga color pencil. Ending area na to, pwede sila ditong mag-crayons, mag-drawing. Ayan, may kasamang bond paper and yung mga clips, 4 clips yan lahat dyan. And may kasama ding mga sharpener, pencil, and then itong ruler. Ayan. Perfect talaga ito pag mayroon silang arts and assignment, activity sa bahay, mga color pencil, itong mga crayons at itong mga color na marker. Ayan. So, malapit na naman ang payday sale. Kaya, mag-check out na tayo nito mga Mima. Talagang sulit na sulit po ito para sa ating mga kids.